Hi, I'm Colleen Keith. I'm the president at Goldey Beacom College, right in the middle of the Red Clay School District. And I want to talk to you about the February 28th referendum, and I want to encourage your vote for the referendum. The partnership between Goldey Beacom and the Red Clay School District is very important for Goldey Beacom, and I think it's very important for Red Clay. Whether it's our faculty, staff, and students going to Skyline Middle School to help with the AVID program, whether it's inviting the Red Clay Middle School basketball tournament to our campus, or whether it's providing space for the off-site needs that your faculty and staff have, they can come to Goldey Beacom, and it's important to us because we get to know you and we get to deepen that relationship with you, which I think benefits both organizations. The referendum that you have the opportunity to vote for on February 28th is also terribly important for both Goldey Beacom and for Red Clay School District. Those funds will go to update facilities, fix roofs, keep lights on, make the necessary improvements that create the learning environment that your students and our students need to have. Beyond that money that gets spent that will help to improve facilities and operating needs will also attract faculty and staff that will want to teach in your schools, and it's going to attract families that are going to want to live in our community. There's no downside that I see to this referendum, so I hope you will join me on February 28th in voting for this referendum. Thank you.